If you've been trying to find your Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam and can't see it anywhere, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to look, how to tell whether your game has a manual key or silent activation, and what to do if Steam still asks for a code. I'll also show you a couple of fixes if the game gets stuck during account linking. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to understand something. Not every Ubisoft game on Steam gives you a visible activation code anymore. Older titles often have a standard CD key that you can copy and use manually, but newer Ubisoft games usually use silent activation, which means Steam and Ubisoft Connect handle the linking automatically in the background. So let's start with the manual method. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the Ubisoft game you want to check, then right-click it. From the menu, hover over or select Manage and then click CD Keys. If your game has a traditional Ubisoft Connect activation code, this is where Steam will show it. You can copy it from there and use it if needed. If you do not see the CD Keys option at all, that usually means the game does not have a manual code attached. That's normal for many modern Ubisoft titles. In that case, the game is probably using silent activation instead. That means there is no code for you to find because the license is tied directly to your Steam account and Ubisoft Connect account when you launch the game. Now let's talk about what to do with silent activation. The easiest test is to launch the game directly from Steam. When it starts, it should automatically open Ubisoft Connect and ask you to link your account. If everything is working properly, you just sign in and complete the connection. After that, the game should start normally without ever showing a code. But if the game keeps looping, fails to link, or keeps asking you to sign in over and over, there are a couple of fixes you can try. First, fully close Steam and Ubisoft Connect. To do that properly, open Task Manager and make sure both apps are completely shut down. Then restart Steam as an administrator. This can help refresh the connection process and clear up permission issues. If you still see a key-related message, the next step is to verify the game files. In Steam, right-click the game again, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and repair them if needed. This is a very useful step when activation or linking problems are caused by a bad install. Another place to check is your purchase email or Steam receipt. Sometimes, especially with certain gold or ultimate editions, a key may be included at the bottom of the invoice or in your confirmation email. So if the key is not visible in Steam itself, it is worth checking your purchase history and email inbox as well. So to quickly recap, right-click the game in your Steam library, check Manage, then CD Keys for older manual keys. If that option is missing, your game probably uses silent activation, which means launching from Steam and linking Ubisoft Connect is the correct process. And if things get stuck, verify files, check your email receipt, and restart Steam and Ubisoft Connect cleanly. I hope this helped you find your Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam, or at least understand why you may not see one at all. If it did, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple gaming tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.